Guys, we're back in the ever familiar Supercar Street Racing dining room here, and we got a package here from Amazon that's going to help us accomplish some maintenance today at the Supercar Street Racing compound. And inside of the box here, we have some garage door lube, 3-in-1. We're not in a cold climate, so we don't have the silicone-based garage lube. We're going to use this stuff today and show you guys how to keep your $16,000 garage door properly lubricated. So hang out with us today. We'll all learn something lubing up the garage door. Let's go. Guys, we are right in front of the 3-in-1 garage door lubricant, and that is our mission today, was to get this out of the box and go ahead and go in the Supercar Street Racing garage and service the garage door. It needs lubricating. It has not been done since it was new, and also we're going to lubricate the spring and the hinges wherever we have hinges that do bend. Now this 3-in-1 garage door lube was something like, I don't know, $13 or $14 for 2 bottles on Amazon. So of course we have to be careful with this stuff. It will go everywhere. So during the process of lubing the garage door, we will carry a few towels with us so we don't spray and drip all over our nice garage floor that has been char coated. Now this says it's quick drying and no mess and prevents rust and corrosion. And there's not much of the directions on the back. It just says shake well, apply by spraying directly on the surface to be lubricated and protected. Wipe excess with a rag. This says lubricate monthly. We're going to start maintaining our garage door like that. Let's get out in the Supercar Street Racing garage and start getting to work. Out here in the garage today with the 3-in-1 garage door lube, and all we're going to do right here and right now is show you guys how to lube up the garage door. And the most important part is that you get on the tracks where the rollers go and you're actually cleaning the garage door as well, and then you also lubricate these hinges right here. So the first step is going to be to do the part that is open right now. We'll get all this lubricated, get it wiped down, and then we will go ahead and do all of these hinges right here. So that would be the second step. Now the garage door lube does come with a nice little red hose right here for you. Sorry about the traffic. And so all you have to do right here and right now is get a towel, and you don't want to go crazy with this stuff. So you just go light, and then you take your rag, and you are also cleaning the tracks at the same time. Wiping off the oil doesn't mean it's not lubricated. And look at that. So that is dirt accumulated from whatever over time. And then of course, while you're here, you can go ahead and lube the roller, but you don't need much, just a little spray. So part of the problem is it's going to drip, so wipe it off after you do lube. If you get any on your nice floor, go ahead and wipe that off as well. Let's go ahead and do the other side. And obviously that needs cleaning. So I'm gonna get that today also. All right, and you do see, be careful with this garage door track. You will cut your hand so bad on it. It's very sharp. So we are getting the garage door track clean now. And that is that. And then we spray a little bit on these hinges right here. Just a tiny bit. You don't need a lot. And that does soak right in. See, that time I did better because I didn't get it all over the place. And now I'm going to take the opportunity to clean this, all the spider webs and mess right there. All right, so we are going to continue with our cleaning of the tracks, and we're going to go ahead and do this top part and then proceed to clean and lubricate all of these other parts of the track. Let's get going. We're going to start there, wipe our way all the way down to that side. We just finished lubricating that track right there and cleaning it. Notice I wiped off all of the oil. Well, not all of it, but I wiped off the oil, the excess. And now all we have to do right here and right now is go lubricate these rollers. Just a little shot. You don't have to push hard. And if you do get excess on there, just wipe it off. Just barely press on it. So I didn't do a great job on that one. And make sure you get both sides. That one's gonna drip. Let's get all of these done. Okay, all that is left to do now is go ahead and get this track done. I got all the other ones done and all the rollers and all the hinges, so that's the last thing left before the spring. Let's go ahead and get this thing done now. All right, the last step to this project is to lubricate the spring there. We're gonna spray it on top of the spring. Don't get too much on it. It will actually fall down and drip. So we're just gonna go right on top of the spring and then that's it. Wipe it off with the rag. All right, we're gonna go ahead and exercise the garage door a couple of times now that it has been lubricated. Let's go ahead and open it up. That's gonna allow that nice lubrication to get through those rollers. And the garage door did open. Let's go ahead and close it. Awesome. So you should be doing that once a month. This is a $16,000 garage door. I'm going to take care of it. You guys should as well. I'm going to leave a link in the description to this lubrication oil from Amazon. And I hope that you guys do maintenance on your garage and don't pay a garage door company $200 or $300 to come out and spray some oil on your garage door. Do it once a month. You should be good to go. And that's going to do it for today, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Please like and subscribe and buy all of your Amazon products through any of our links. It doesn't have to be the one in the description. You can click the description link and buy anything you want. It helps me out greatly. So we'll see you guys next time on the channel. Thank you for joining, liking, and subscribing, guys. Peace out.